Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today I will be showing how to set up a Google Veo account so you can start making videos. Alright, so Google Veo is going to be on Google Gemini, and before you can get access to Google Veo, you actually need to choose a plan. So you'll simply go to one.google.com. From there, you'll choose a monthly plan. So you have Google AI Pro or Google AI Ultra. They both have access to Google Veo. So with the Google AI Pro, you get access to 3 videos a day. They may change it in the future. Sometimes I get access to more than 3 a day, and sometimes it can be up to like 5, or you may get 2 if there's like an error or bug in their system. But for the most part, it's usually 3 videos a day. Okay, so I recommend, if you want to go the budget-friendly option, just get the Google AI Pro for $20 a month. Sometimes there is promotions, such as right now, so 0 for the first month. And then that comes with access to Flow, Whisk, and you get 1,000 monthly AI credits as well to use across Flow and Whisk. Flow is essentially a more advanced Google Veo tool to use. So you have options to choose between fast, quality with beta audio, and then Veo 2 as well, the older model. Obviously, you know, the Veo 3 is the better model. Okay, so once you sign up for an account, you then will go to gemini.google.com, and then from there, you have to toggle video, and then you can write a prompt from there, and it will generate the video. So right now, I will do a live example on creating a prompt, and then placing it on here to create the video. So you can use ChatGPT, DeepSeek, doesn't matter, you know, whatever works. So what I like to do is I actually like to make the ChatGPT or DeepSeek think for me. So I'll simply just type in here Google Gemini prompts. Okay. So I go to click on here. So what I'm looking for is like a rule. Prompting rules, tips, how to write prompts. So use natural language, clear, concise. Just to keep it simple for this video, I'll just ask ChatGPT to research best prompts for Veo 3. But essentially what you can do is, like, if you find a website where there's rules or, you know, good directions on how to prompt it, you can simply just copy and paste it to DeepSeek or ChatGPT, and it will literally like take those take the guidance from the website you got it from, and then use those rules based on that. So here I'll just ask Google ChatGPT. This is already pre-made, so I'll just type in. Okay, so everything's already ready here, right? So what I'll do is I'll type in a lion eating meat in a zoo. Okay, so now it'll spit out the prompt. Okay. And then I'm going to copy and paste it to Veo 3. And then again, make sure this is toggled on. And you'll know if it's toggled on when it's highlighted blue. So click submit. And it's going to take roughly 1 to 2 minutes to generate your video. And we'll wait from there. Keep in mind, this is not the quality version. This is like the Google Veo 3, you know, quick version. The quality version, which I'll have in another video, is going to be on Flux. So it's going to be on the scene, or sorry, Flux Flow Scene Builder. So as I showed you earlier, you have the option to switch it over to quality. And quality, to me, it definitely does make a difference. Fast is, there's errors here and there. Quality has errors as well, but fast definitely, you definitely see more errors. So I'll share this in another video, but just keep in mind this is not like the quality version. Is just the basic one. So bear with me here as we're waiting for this video to complete. As we're waiting for the video, I'll actually show some examples here of videos generated. Google. So if you go on their website, they'll show you videos generated. So as you see here, old man on a boat. It is pretty impressive overall, and just by looking at these graphics, like it seems like we're pretty close to Hollywood production. Just a matter of time. There's also example prompts here you can kind of go off of, and that can give you ideas on how to write the prompt. But I don't have a perfect way to do it. I'm still learning, but practice makes perfect. Yeah, so as you can see here, just pretty cool stuff and wide variety of content. Okay, let's check in our video. All right, so video is complete. Sometimes it'll be it'll stay stuck loading on the screen. It'll say like, hey, video is still generating, but if you hit refresh, it could actually be done. So just a little trick there. All right, so video is complete. So simple as that. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and also feel free to subscribe to the channel. I'll be making more videos on not just Google Veo generator, but other video generators that I come across, and also give the tips that work for me. I'm not an expert, but I am trying to learn how to get better at it. For the next video, I definitely want to dive more into flow. So I'm still new to this, but I do like how they have scene builder. So if you're making a skit, this is kind of the way to do it. And also, you can choose between fast or quality. I think most people want to use a quality version, right? You don't want a poorly generated video. So I'll dive into this next video. If you have any questions, please leave it below in the comment section, or if you have any suggestions for the next video or any tips, feel free to do so. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. That way I can provide as much value as possible. Thank you, and I hope to see you in the next video.